Why has the U.S. military lost roughly 25% of its Reaper drones recently? The surprising reasons reveal new challenges in drone warfare and technology you didn't expect. One major reason the U.S. military lost about 25% of its Reaper drones recently is the rise in combat risks. These drones operate in heavily contested areas where enemy forces have improved air defenses and jamming technology. Sophisticated anti-aircraft missiles and electronic warfare systems are making Reaper missions much more dangerous, resulting in more drones being shot down or disabled. This marks a shift from earlier years when Reapers operated with relative safety in less hostile environments. Another key factor is the aging of the Reaper drone fleet. Many of these drones were designed over a decade ago and face wear and tear from constant deployments. The harsh conditions of extended missions strain their systems, leading to mechanical failures and increased maintenance demands. This aging technology struggles to keep pace with modern electronic countermeasures and the evolving battlefield, contributing to the loss rate. The U.S. military has intensified drone operations worldwide, flying more sorties in conflict zones like the Middle East and Africa. This operational intensity means more exposure to hostile environments and higher chances of accidents or enemy engagements. The sheer volume of missions raises the statistical probability of losing drones, especially when combined with the challenges of aging technology and advanced enemy defenses. The loss of a quarter of its Reaper drones forces the U.S. military to rethink its drone warfare strategy. It highlights the urgent need to invest in next-generation unmanned systems with better survivability, stealth, and electronic countermeasures. This shift will shape future drone development and battlefield tactics to maintain air superiority and intelligence capabilities. Losing roughly 25% of its Reaper drones reveals how evolving threats and aging technology challenge U.S. military drone dominance. As the battlefield changes, so must drone strategy and design. For more surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and never miss a daily Q&A.